Justice Mohan M. Shantana Gowda, a native of Chikkerur, was born on the 5th of May 1958 at Kandibagur, Hirekerur Taluk, Peri District, Karnataka. Justice Mohan M. Shantana Gowda was born to late Shri M.C. Shantana Gowda and Srimati Indira Shantana Gowda. Late Shri M.C. Shantana Gowda practiced as an advocate in Dharwad for 45 years. Justice Mohan M. Shantana Gowda studied from grades 1 to 3 at Basil Mission Practicing School, Dharwad. He studied grade 4 at Kannada Gandu Makkala's Teachers Training School, Dharwad. Grades 5 to 10 was at RLS High School, Dharwad. His first year PUC to BSc degree final year was at the Karnataka Science College, Dharwad. He completed his BSc in 1977 by securing a first class. Justice Mohan M. Shantana Gowda enrolled as an advocate on the 5th of September 1980. He started his practice in Dharwad in the same year in the chambers of Sri I.G. Hire Gowda. After a year of practice, Sri I.G. Hire Gowda, Justice Mohan M. Shantana Gowda came to Bangalore in 1981 and started his practice under Sri Shivaraj V. Patil as the then His Lordship. In one instance, prior to joining the chambers of Sri Shivaraj V. Patil, Sri Shivaraj V. Patil asked Sri Mohan M. Shantana Gowda how he would survive in Bangalore because new lawyers make very little money and that he had left his hometown to come and settle here. To this, the young Mohan M. Shantana Gowda replied, said after office hours, that he would work in a grocery store until his practice picks up. To this, the amused Shivraj V. Patil said, you need not work in a grocery store at night. If you work hard enough in the office, the practice will pick up on its own. In May 1984, Justice Mohan M. Shantana Gowda started his independent practice and within a short span of time gained huge popularity. He was a legal advisor to various educational institutions, local bodies, and cooperative societies, specialized in civil, criminal, and constitutional matters. Justice Mohan M. Shantana Gowda was not only an active lawyer, but also an active member of the bar. He was elected as the Vice Chairman of the Karnataka State Bar Council from 1991 to 1993. At a young age of 37, Justice Mohan M. Shantana Gowda was elected as the Chairman of the Karnataka State Bar Council from 1995 to 96. Under his chairmanship, the Karnataka State Bar Council conducted a mega seminar in Dharwad, wherein the distinguished guests included legal stalwarts like Sri Nani Palkiwala, Sri Ram Jethmalani, Sri Soli Sorabji, and Sri K.K. Venugopal, among others. From 1999 till January 2003, Justice Mohan M. Shantana Gowda served as the State Public Prosecutor of the state of Karnataka and defended the state in many sensational criminal appeals and habeas corpus petitions. He appeared on behalf of the state of Tamil Nadu as their advocate in the High Court of Karnataka and defended the state during 1999 to 2002. Justice Mohan M. Shantana Gowda was appointed as additional judge of the Karnataka High Court on 12th of May 2003 and was later sworn in as a permanent judge on the 24th of September 2004. He was the president of the Bangalore Mediation Center and the Karnataka Judicial Academy. Justice Mohan M. Shantana Gowda, on transfer to the High Court of Kerala, assumed charge as the acting Chief Justice on August 1st, 2016. He was later sworn in as the Chief Justice of the High Court of Kerala on the 22nd of September 2016. Justice Mohan M. Shantana Gowda was elevated as Judge of the Supreme Court of India on 17 February 2017, where he remained until his untimely death on April 24, 2021. In spite of his busy schedule, he would always make time for his family. He was very attached to his mother and his grandson. He is survived by his wife, Srimati Sunita Shantana Gaudar, son Sri Shiva Prasad Shantana Gaudar, daughter Pooja Shantana Gaudar, daughter-in-law Shweta Nagesh, and grandson Siddhant Shantana Gaudar. An avid traveler, whenever Justice Mohan M. Shantana Gaudar found time, he would travel to various parts of the country. His principle was to see your country first and thereafter other parts of the world. Whenever he would travel to other states or other countries, he would always make it a point to see the courts of that state or country. Justice Mohan M. Shantana Gaudar was known as a judge who spoke his mind. He never minced his words, both in his judgments nor in his public addresses. He was also known for his sense of humor. Several of his colleagues at the bench and members of the bar have said that, off the bench or on it, Justice Shantana Gaudar had a great sense of humor. He brought liveliness to regular court proceedings. We would break into laughter along with other lawyers, and the pressure of the proceedings was out. He was someone who would always encourage young junior counsels to argue. He would motivate them by giving them more time to argue, only to boost their confidence. He was always indulgent and always patient at his hearings. He was known for his humane approach towards the law. Several of his judgments bear truth to the same.
For 3 things you should fear. 4 ನಾವು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಒಂದನ್ನು fear for God. ಎರಡನೇದು fear for society. ಮೂರನೇದು fear for one's own conscience. Hard work, humility, and honesty. ಈ ಮೂರು ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಈ ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ. Honesty. That all of you should compete the best advocates in India. If you should compete with those advocates for best in India, we are not second to government second in India.
Unfortunately, after a prolonged illness, Justice Mohan M. Shantana Gaudar left for the heavenly abode on April 24, 2001. A person who showed that by hard work, diligence, and sincerity, nothing is impossible. If a young advocate coming from a rural background can go on to achieving one of the highest posts in the country, anybody can do it, provided one puts their hearts into it. The name Shantana Gaudar has 2 parts, Shant and Gaudar. Shant means calm. Gaudar means elder, one who shows the path and leads it. Until the very end, he guided us, listened to us in a patient manner. We all will certainly miss the man, always led by example.
One time after it, now to circle.